Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the basics of internet. Already in previous class we all seen what is the web and what is internet. Okay, in previous class we seen web and internet. Okay, so in this class we will see the terminology. In this class we will see the terminology of the internet. Okay, so once again I'm saying to you internet. Okay, internet means it is a millions of computers or devices connected together. In this internet there are several features are there. So many features are there like http, email, chatting, messaging. So many services are there. In this, one of the services www, World Wide Web, or we may say web. Okay. uh, in last class I given homework to you, difference between internet and www. Okay, you have to do that. Today we will see the terminologies. When we are coming to the basic internet terminologies, you should know this all things. Okay. First of all, what is a server? When we are talking about the server, it is a head. Okay, it provides service to the client. When we are talking about just only the server, it is a machine. It is a just a machine. Server means it's just a machine. Under this machine, so many systems will be there. Okay, so this is a server. Now client, under the server, which all of the computers are working, so that name is called what? Client. So now this is a client. So this is a server and this three are the clients. Okay, so client usually uh, give request to the server, and based on the server response it will work. And server has a full authority to control the client. If server didn't like any system, it can turn off remotely. It can do anything. Anything means it can turn off, it can on. Okay, it can shut down, or it can delete the data. It can deny the access. So full authority server is having. So client is getting the service from the server. Okay, so this both are offline or machine, just a machine, or it works in a offline. Okay, but when we talk about the internet oriented, now you can able to see web client. Okay, so web client works as a client system with help of the web applications. Okay, means with the server client what works we can do, same things we can able to do through the internet also, namely called web server and web client. What the server can do with the help of the network, same thing with the help of the web server. In this entire world, you can be anywhere in this anywhere in the world corner, in a world anywhere you can be in any corner, and we can able to control the client system. Okay, so this is called web client, web server. Okay, this is a difference. And now web browser is nothing but it is a software. Okay, it is a software uh, used as to access the data. Okay, web browser is a software used for us to access the data in the form of URL www. Okay, so what are the web browsers? You all know well: Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, UZ Mini, Opera Mini. So these all are the browsers you may consider. Okay, so web page. Okay, in a browser we can able to see the web pages. Okay, in a web pages It is a combination of the text, document, video, audio, multimedia files, we may say. Web page is a combination of multimedia files. What are the multimedia files? When we are talking about the multimedia files, we may talk about audio, video, after it can be a link, picture, and etc. Okay, there is no any limit at all. Now after website is a collection of web pages. Website is a, if you are going to amazon.com, in amazon.com how many web pages are there? Okay, so this .com is a website name, okay, home page. Now domain name. What is meant by domain name? Students, in this world everyone has a unique address, correct? In this world everyone has a unique address for us humans. Same way computer also having unique address called IP address. Okay, called what? IP address. Just to think www.google.com, whether this is easier, okay, google.com, whether it is easier or 192.168.1.100, this is easier. According to humans this will be easier, correct? So same way in computer having IP addresses like this. Computer having full and full IP address numeric value. You should not use amazon.com. You should say the 192.168 point, like some numeric values we have to say. So for us human it is very difficult. Okay. So that's why the IP address we are just make the mask domain name. Domain name means you can use a verbal address also. www.google.com. This also correct. Okay. Mostly we are using this because it is easy to understand and it is a domain name. It is a unique name. So with help of this address we can able to access the website. Okay. URL, uniform resource locator. With help of this we can able to type the a web page unique address. Okay, whatever pages we are seeing with help of the URL. Now you may get confused here, difference between web portal and a website. My dear students, be clear in this, no need to get confused. Okay, website is a collection of a web page. Okay, but web portal, it is a gateway. It is a gateway. You may think, what is a gateway? Now, Amazon, Amazon is a particular site. Okay, it is a different field. It is a different field. And education, EDU, it is a different field. Okay, from now you are here. Now, if you want to access a totally different area, Amazon. So in between one link will be there. In between you are getting access. So this is a gateway. So web portal allow us to access a different field web pages. Okay, different field, totally it is different. We are accessing with help of the gateway. Only this we can able to access education also, but with help of the gateway. Okay, gateway means a totally different site, totally different field we are going to be get into access. Okay, now next one, blog means you all are knowing well, writing your personal stories, your what things you would like, you may write it. Okay, it is a blogs. Blogger, the person who is writing the stories. Again I'm saying blog means having a habit of writing your stories, essays, any article, news, magazine, or any research work. As you wish you may write. Okay, Blogger means the person who is writing a blog. Okay, blogger means the person who is writing a blog. Okay, blogging means making, publishing. Okay, while creating, this all will come. Okay, news group means it is a social platform. We can able to discuss about the newses. Okay, day to daily newses. Email, electronic mail, you know, it is used to send a address. Sorry, it is used to send a message with help of the email address. Okay, electronic mail. Now email address, my dear students, when you're talking about the email service is provided by many companies. Okay, example Google providing Gmail, Yahoo providing Yahoo Mail. Okay, like this, so many companies are providing so many services. How we can able to write the email address? Email address should be unique. Okay, address should be, name should be a unique without space. Okay, after at symbol must be, after at symbol service provider. If Google is providing gmail.com, if Yahoo is providing yahoomail.com, if Microsoft is providing outlook.com. Okay, so these are the service providers we have to. Here name, here service provider. Service provider. And name should be unique. Okay, so these are the basic terminologies available in internet. Okay, once you see the book, slowly we are going, but we will complete everything as soon as possible. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.